So this is a video of my Robin Hood 2-litre Ford Pinto engined kit car. As you can see, it's in an absolutely immaculate condition. It's only done 5,000 miles since the build. Engine, manifold, every single bolt and screw brand new. Chrome headlights, you see, chrome body with the red. Looks absolutely stunning. Alloy wheels, absolutely brand new with excellent Goodrich tyres on them with 6mm still on there. Over to the interior, brand new bucket seats with a 3-point harness. It's got a CD player as well, even though I've never used it. All instruments work, temperature, fuel, volts, and as you can see, it's only got 5,636 miles on there. A beautiful little mountain steering wheel, handmade in Britain. 5-speed gearbox. It's got all the weather kit on it as well, so it's got the roof that folds over in excellent condition. Rear tyre there as well. On the other side, it's got the 4-to-1 race manifold, which sounds absolutely beautiful. I'll give it a little bit of a blip there. Sounds tremendous. I say it's in absolutely great condition. A Robin Hood with a 2-litre Ford Pinto engine. You'll not find a better one than this in this condition for the price. See, it's got the aluminium hood, which I'll show you, just literally folds back on top. And that's the hood back on it. It's got 2 clasps on either side to fix the hood back on, but that's it, and it's excellent.